Hello everyone, welcome to the Ragni Learning Institute. Today we will learn about financial derivatives, specifically interest rate swap. What is financial derivative? A financial derivative is a contract whose value is based on the price or rate of an underlying asset such as interest rate, currencies, stocks or commodities. So in this lecture we only discuss interest rate swap. It is financial derivatives where two parties agrees to exchange the interest rate payments only. अब यहाँ पर क्या होता है कंपनीज थिंक मे बी इंटरेस्ट रेट फ्लक्चुएट सो इन फ्यूचर मे बी इट इज इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज Therefore, they decided to come in agreement and swap the interest rate payments. यहाँ पर लोन की अमाउंट सेम ही रहेगी जस्ट जो स्वैप होंगे वो होंगे इंटरेस्ट रेट पेमेंट्स Let's discuss an example. Company A has borrowed rupees 1 million at a floating rate of KIBOR plus 1%, while Company B has borrowed 1 million at a fixed rate of 10%. To manage the interest rate risk, they both enter in a 1-year interest rate swap on the same notional amount, which is 1 million, where Company A pays a fixed 10% and Company B pays floating KIBOR plus 1%. अब यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है both companies are swapped the interest rate, but before that company A was paying floating rate which is KIBOR plus 1%, company B was paying fixed rate which is fixed 10%. What is difference between them? Floating rate is interest rate which is KIBOR plus margin. What is KIBOR? KIBOR is the benchmark interest rate where Pakistani banks lends to each other. Here fixed interest rate will always remain same, but floating interest rate will always fluctuate due to economic conditions such as central bank policy rates or liquidity or inflation rates. So we can see that interest rate swap is a financial derivative because its value depend upon the fluctuation of KIBOR rate. Before coming to an agreement, company A was paying floating rate and company B was paying fixed rate. Floating rate is equal to KIBOR plus margin. Margin is an extra payment which is taken by bank to minimize the risk. Let's say we have KIBOR 10.50% and margin is 1%. When we add it, then it will become 11.50%. So this is our floating rate. Let's calculate the amount of interest rate payment of both companies before coming into an agreement. We have to multiply the loan with interest. Company A have the loan of 1 million multiply by floating interest rate which is 11.50%. So company A have to pay 1,15,000. Company B have the loan of 1 million and multiply by fixed interest rate which is 10%, and company B have to pay 1 lakh interest payment. So before swap, company A have to pay 1,15,000 and company B have to pay 1 lakh interest payment. After the swap, company A have to pay fixed interest rate and company B have to pay floating interest rate. यहाँ पर एक कंपनी को लगता है आगे जाकर इंटरेस्ट रेट बढ़ेगा और एक को लगता है नहीं कम होगा. दिस इज द रीजन दे कम इनटू द स्वैप रेट एग्रीमेंट. लेट्स कैलकुलेट द इंटरेस्ट रेट पेमेंट आफ्टर एन एग्रीमेंट. आफ्टर 1 ईयर व्हाट हैपेंड? अब जो KIBOR था वो इंक्रीज हो गया है विच इज 12% और मार्जिन सेम ही है विच इज 1%. सो फ्लोटिंग रेट बिकम्स 13%. नाउ कंपनी A हैव टू पे फिक्स्ड रेट विच इज सेम 10%. सो लोन इज 1 million multiply by fixed rate. So company A have to pay interest payment 1 lakh. Company B loan multiply by floating rate which increased and it is 13%. So company B have to pay interest payment 1,30,000. We can see the situation. After swap, company B have to pay 1,30,000 interest payment and company A have to pay 1 lakh. But before swap, company A have to pay 1,15,000 and company B have to pay 1 lakh. So after that, difference between both interest payments is 30,000. अब यहाँ पर क्या होगा? 30,000 कंपनी B कंपनी A को पे करेगी. Consequently, कंपनीज फाइनेंशियल डेरिवेटिव एग्रीमेंट्स में आती ही तब है बिकॉज दे हैव टू मिनिमाइज द रिस्क. अब यहाँ पर सिचुएशन क्या है? यहाँ पर 30,000 कंपनी बी को कंपनी ए को पे करने हैं बिकॉज कंपनी बी के पास ज्यादा 30,000 है. अब फिक्स्ड रेट जो था वो तो इंक्रीज हुआ नहीं विच इज 10%. फ्लोटिंग रेट था वो इंक्रीज हो गया 13%. सो नाउ कंपनी ए हैव द बेनिफिट ऑफ 30,000. और अगर यहाँ पर कंपनी ए के पास ज्यादा अमाउंट होती तो कंपनी ए कंपनी बी को पे करती. नाउ ऑल थिंग्स वेरी. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस, KIBOR rate, fixed rate, so they fluctuate accordingly. So we have discussed financial derivatives, specifically interest rate swap. But financial derivatives और भी होते हैं, लेट्स से फॉरवर्ड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, फ्यूचर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, सो वो भी होते हैं। और यहाँ पर हमने जो सिचुएशन डिस्कस की है वो है पर एनुअल, पर ईयर के बेसिस पर की है, नॉट सेमी और क्वार्टरली बेस्ड। तो काइबोर को हमने पर ईयर के बेसिस पर ट्रीट किया है। To sum up the whole discussion, financial derivative agreements are very helpful for those companies who want to minimize the risk and uncertainty. यहाँ पर हमने देखा ना कंपनी ए को परमानेंट फायदा है ना कंपनी बी को, बिकॉज इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन इन फ्यूचर वेरी कर रही है, फ्लक्चुएशन हो रही है, इंटरेस्ट रेट, काइबोर, हर चीजें चेंज हो रही है। सो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ एंड कंडीशंस. Thank you for learning with Ragni Learning Institute. If you want more valuable lectures, then like and subscribe.